Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is March the 29th, 2021. We're here to give you all a price prediction update into the market for Kyber Network. You guys can already tell on our price chart that we expected the market to go lower in Kyber Network, and in fact it went the opposite direction. We're going to break down so that we can learn from what happened in our last price prediction, and then we're going to update you all on where we expect the price to be so that we can also predict profit and win in the market. So make sure you hit that like button, share the video, and then also subscribe. Tap that bell notification so you become notified of whenever we come and predict cryptocurrencies in the cryptocurrency space. So real quick, what happened in the price movement in Kyber Network versus our prediction? You guys can tell the last time we did our prediction was right here on March the 11th. We expected the market to drop just a little bit, and in actuality it didn't even drop at all. So what does that mean? Well, that means that the demand in the market for Kyber was sustained. Like, the weakness did not come through to drop the value of this currency. That is why the market literally kept and held support right here around $2. The market literally, even during the brunt of all the selling that came in on these days right here, okay, the market definitely tried to dip on these days, right, following our prediction on the 12th, on the 13th, the 14th, and the 15th. The market tried to drop. There was weakness, there was more selling going on, but right here, this is the day that told us that the market in Kyber Network was giving us a lot of strength. Okay, let's get rid of this. This was the day that told us that the market in Kyber has absorbed all of that weakness, all of that selling that was coming in from March the 11th all the way until the 15th. The trap told us that, look, I'm about to increase this price in Cardano right there on this particular day. So that's how we knew we got this wrong. And then the following day on the 16th, on the 17th, that's when the market broke out above our expectation of where restriction was going to be. So yeah, we got this wrong, but this is the reason why the market decided to go the opposite direction. This was the clue. This was the confirmation that the market was not going to drop in price right there. Okay, so yeah, we got that one wrong. It was incorrect. So if we were to get out right now, we'd be down about 31, almost 32% in that prediction. But that's done. That is over. We lost those soldiers. Now it's our responsibility to try to bring them back and bring in more profits into our accounts. So let's go ahead and take this away. All right, let's take this horizontal line out the market, and we can actually still tell here that Kyber Network is still giving us a upward trend. Like, the market is still poised to see higher price. The only issue is that the market is trading well away from our overall trend. So can we see the market in Kyber come all the way down here, or can we sustain the movement and go higher in that direction? That's pretty much what this prediction is going to be about. We need to make that determination if Kyber is going to continue to drop, or will we continue to see the market go higher in price. Now, we have already created an area of support into the market for Kyber, and it is right around this vicinity here. Okay, so I'll say around like $2.45, give or take. It's where the initial area of support is. We've already came and established that the support that stopped the market from dropping in price came in around $2.15, right? So that is where we are expecting the market in Kyber to try to maintain and hold support. Now, when I look at this on a 3-day time frame, the market in Kyber definitely is hinting that it wants to go high in price, right? We completed this last 3-day price bar at the high of the bar, which lets us know that the emphasis of higher price is still there. Now, I don't want us to forget, because that is just one 3-day price bar versus these 3 price bars of weakness. Like, we cannot forget what occurred on these 3-day price bars. That's literally the instance to where the weakness came in. So yeah, even though the last 3-day price bar, which is now completed, is giving us strength, we cannot be too over enthused to think that the market in Kyber is a massive buy at the moment. Yes, initially the market is poised to continue to see higher price. I'm telling you that right now. But how high do you think the market is going to go? That's the question. Before we'll see more instances of restriction. Maybe $2.75 to $2.73. Like, where do you expect that market restriction to come in for Kyber? Because varying time frames, we're getting different instances as to where the market is strong or weak. This is the weekly time frame, and we were able to close below the open and the close from the last week. So definitely there's a little bit more weakness in the market in Kyber than there is strength as of this moment. But on a 3-day time frame is where we're seeing the strength. So depending on your time preference and where you expect the market to go, it's going to be very important. If you're playing this on a 3-day time frame at least, then yeah, we can expect the market to go higher in price. But if you're playing this on a weekly to a 3 weeks to a monthly, 6 months time frame, then definitely you got to consider the amount of weakness that is in this space for Kyber. Okay, so real quick, I want to look at this on an hourly time frame to see how high and how strong the market really is in Kyber. And as of this particular moment, you know, maybe around 275, like I said, 273 to 280 is where we would be expecting the market to possibly go. So let's see if that's even worth putting in a prediction in Kyber. So around 273, $2.73 is about 3%, 2.93% to 280. It's about 5.5% market movement in Kyber. Okay. So yeah, this market definitely is trying to go high in price in Kyber. Let's look at this on the monthly time frame. Okay, so this is the second month of us seeing the market close off of the highs. Just like we did in February, the market closed towards the low of the bar. The month of March, we still show the demand in the space for Kyber Network. Now that's 2 consecutive months though that we're seeing that selling is going on into the month of trading. That cannot be sustained. At some point, we will see the demand wane and lessen, and then the market will continue to fall in price. So what we're going to do to the market in Kyber, we're going to play this in the long term, since we really don't do this on a day-to-day basis. We do this, you know, every 2 weeks, 3 weeks or so. So we're going to play this on a long term. I'm not really expecting the market in Kyber to do much, but yes, on a daily time frame, we can see the market in Kyber go higher, no doubt. Okay, but the question is, where are we going to see the market go within 2 weeks or 3 weeks? So let's do this. We're going to play the weakness into the market in Kyber. Okay, and we're going to top out the restriction area in the market in Kyber around $3.10. And I'm going to extend it out here towards our ascending line. Like I told you already, the market has already shown us that support is around $2.20, but we would definitely come in and TP out the market around $2.42, which is around 8%, 8.25% profitability in that market movement for Kyber. You know what? Switch that. What we're going to do, we're going to play the strength into the market for Kyber. Okay. And the reason why I'm switching is because the market is giving us a lot more emphasis of demand in this space. So we're going to keep $2.20 as support right down here from March the 25th. And we're going to take it all the way up here towards $3.10 ultimately in the market in Kyber. Now I'm telling you already that $2.80 we will come in and TP out the market, take some of that profitability out, which is around 5.84%. Okay. So yeah, we're going to play that into the market for Kyber right there. We switched it because of what we're noticing into the market in Kyber right now. The strength is still present. So this has to happen relatively quick. The sooner the better. The longer, the less likely the market in Kyber will continue to see higher price movement. So now it's your turn. What do you all think about Kyber Network? Do you see the market continue to see higher price, or do you think we're going to see the market in Kyber go lower? Make sure you maintain a profitability, predict, profit, and win. Talk to you all on the next one.